travel pros. The other day, a travel advisor and I were talking about video lighting, and she wondered how important lights were if she was shooting in her home office. She asked if I could show the difference that lighting makes. So here goes. Right now I'm using 2 light panels and have a big window in front of me. This is my normal setup for shooting those 2 to 3 weekly videos that I do. So now let's check out the difference that it makes with only 1 light. Okay, so here's just 1 light and the sunny window in front of me. You'll notice there's probably some shadows on my face and the background is probably a little bit different color than with the 2 lights. The reason I use 2 lights is so that I'm well lit and there's not too much shadowing behind me. Plus, the 2 lights came as a package on Amazon, and that made my decision really simple. Okay, don't laugh. Here's a great example of some really poor lighting. You'll notice here that the background looks blue rather than the usual ivory shade. Plus, my face looks a bit Smurf-like with its blue tint. This is all because it was shot on a cloudy day with only a Diva light. Now look at this blunder. Somehow the light is so bright over the plant and the other side is so dark. Not only is this distracting, but the plant grabs the attention and I fade into the background. This is because there's only 1 light and it's pointing towards the plant and it's a cloudy day. What was I thinking when I shot this video? Well, now here's a scary look. This video was shot before I got the lighting kit. You'll see that ugly blue tinted background. Remember, the background is really ivory, and there's no focus on me nor on the plant. This is one of the reasons I made the investment in lighting. The other reason is that I had read that good lighting actually makes you look younger. I was sold. I hope this helps showcase the difference lighting really makes. Now, as a sidebar, this slip up on this video is that the camera is just too far away. So let's fast forward to some current examples of different lighting options. So now here's the option with just the sunny window in front of me. Now I used to shoot video with this setup and it was okay when the sun was out. However, the option limited my video shoots to sunny days, which is a problem in many parts of the country. So if you want to see what the lights actually look like, here's one of the lights that I use. And you'll notice that it's just a big light panel, and on the back are some options for you to adjust the warmth of the light and the brightness of the light as well. So now we've seen the options of using 1 light or no extra lighting in a sunny room. And now that we're back to 2 lights and the sunny window, let's talk about a blunder that I see all too often. And this blunder is super easy to fix. And the blunder is this: sitting in front of a window rather than facing the window. You might have seen this on a Zoom call or some online videos that you've watched. And this puts all the light behind you and you appear as a silhouette. Not a really good look, but super easy to fix just by shifting the spot where you're facing the window. Here's another option. If you don't have this style of lighting, play around with what you do have by using floor lamps or desk lamps or even a shop light from your basement. Turn on your webcam, test out the lights, and get creative. I'd love to hear what you're using now. Just pop your answer or a picture of your setup into the comment section below. I hope these lighting tips will help you create the best possible videos. So go ahead and test out your lighting options today.